All right, so this is going to be reviewing multiplying rationals and then solving rational equations. All right, so for this first one, we want to factor everything. So go ahead, pause the video, try this one on your own. All right, so we want to factor everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Factor everything. First one, we get 3x minus 2. Second one, we get 3x minus 2, 3. Third one, 3x minus 4. And the fourth one, we get 3x minus 1, x plus 2. All right, so now we just replace everything and then look for things to cancel. So the first one is 3x minus 2, x plus 2 over 3x minus 2, x plus 3. And then we're multiplying. We get 3x minus 1, x plus 4 over 3x minus 1. Right, so this is my 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we look for things to cancel. Remember that things can only cancel when there's 1 on the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So here we can cancel these 3x minus 2's. Here I'm going to cancel these 3x minus 1's. And then I can cancel these x plus 2's. All right, so then I'm left with x plus 4 over x plus 3. There's my answer. All right, so now we're going to talk about one where we have to solve rational equations. So go ahead and pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we want to do is find our LCD. We look at our denominators first. We have k squared minus 13k plus 12. K squared minus 13k plus 12. K minus 12. All right, so we're going to factor these. K minus 12, k minus 1. Same thing for the second one. And then we just leave the third one as k minus 12. All right, now we find our LCD. We start with the first one, k minus 12, bring it down, cross off, cross off, cross off here. We bring down the second one, cross off, cross off. All right, everything's crossed off, so there's our LCD. Now we multiply everything by our LCD. Make sure we do not factor this top one, because it's only going to cause us to do more work after we cancel. So for the first one, we leave k squared minus 4k minus 5. This is over k minus 12, k minus 1. Multiply by our LCD. Right, these cancel, and then these cancel. So I'm just left with k squared minus 4k minus 5. All right, second one. have 1 over k minus 12, k minus 1, multiply LCD. Both cancel, we're left with just 1. Then the third one, we have k minus 11 over k minus 12, multiply by the LCD. K minus 12's cancel. Then we're left with k minus 11, 1. I'm going to double distribute this. So we have k squared minus k minus 11k plus 11. This becomes k squared minus 12k minus 11. All right, then we just plug everything in and then solve. So the first one we had was k squared minus 4k minus 5. Adding our 1 here, and then is equal to the k squared minus 12k plus 11. All right, I'm going to combine like terms, so I can add these two. So I have k squared minus 4k minus 4 is equal to k squared 12k 12. So my goal is to get one side equal to 0, so I can combine like terms. So I'm going to start by squared, subtracting my k squared. So these cancel, so they give me minus 4k minus 4 is equal to negative 12k plus 11. I'm going to add this 12k over. So then this becomes 8k minus 4 is equal to 11. Add 4 over, and we have 8k is equal to 15. 5, 8, 8, 8k is equal to 15 over 8. All right, now we check for extraneous solutions. So we look back at our LCD. What would make this 0? Well, 12. That one would be 1. So our answers we know can't be 12 or 1. That's not the case with our answer. So we know we're good. No extraneous solution.